Guys, welcome back to my channel Accountitude. Here we are continuing with the topic profit sharing ratio at the time of the admission of a new partner. Here I am going to discuss case 3 where it's to talk about P and Q. They were sharing profits in the ratio 7 is to 3. On R's admission, P gave 110 from his share and Q gave 210 from his share in favor of R. So the question is asking us about to calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. First of all, when in the question you are given that P is to sacrifice from his share, when he is to sacrifice from his share, that means here 1 by 10 shows that this is the share which is actually to be sacrificed. So here it is deductible from the given P's share to calculate new profit sharing ratio. So that means in this case, when the question is saying P is sacrificing 110 from his share, so sacrificing ratio P's sacrifice here is P's sacrifice here is 1 by 10 because the question says from his share. So what is P's sacrifice? That is 1 by 10. Now talking about what is Q's sacrifice, that is also given in the question. Q gave 2 by 10 from his share. Now Q gave from his share means Q's sacrifice is 2 by 10. When from word is given, that means we are given direct sacrifice. So here given is P sacrifices 1 by 10 and Q sacrifices 2 by 10. So what is their sacrificing ratio? Sacrificing ratio, that is 1 is to 2. What is their sacrificing ratio? That is 1 is to 2 among themselves for the division of premium of goodwill. Whatever premium of goodwill would be brought in by the new partner, that will go in which ratio? That is 1 is to 2. Fine. So this is their sacrificing ratio. In the case we have to take premium for goodwill. But when we have to calculate here new profit sharing ratio, for the new profit sharing ratio, the formula goes old minus sacrifice. Now here what was the P's new ratio is to be calculated. P's old ratio, when we started the question, it was 7 is to 3. So that means the P's old ratio was 7 by 10 minus is his sacrifice, that was 1 by 10. Now the Q's new share would be his old ratio, that was 3 by 10 minus his sacrifice was 2 by 10. So what is P's new share? That is 6 by 10 here. What is Q's share? That is 1 by 10. And what is R's share here? R's share is equals to P's sacrifice plus Q's sacrifice, because we are not given in the question that what is R's share. So here P's sacrifice was 1 by 10, as we have calculated here. P's sacrifice was 1 by 10 and Q's sacrifice was 2 by 10. So what is P's share? 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10. So we got from here that R's share is 3 by 10. So what is their new ratio? As per the statement now, the new share of P, Q and R would be 6 by 10 is to 1 by 10 is to 3 by 10. So what is their new share? That is 6 is to 1 is to 3. So their new share is 6 is to 1 is to 3. Again, recapitulating with the statement, here the statement was P gave from his share, R gave from his share. So here sacrifice was given for P 1 by 10, for Q 2 by 10. So what is R's given? 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10. And then for calculating the new ratio, P's share we deducted sacrifice here, and from Q's share also we deducted sacrifice. This is the way we got our new ratio, that is 6:1:3. Thank you, Accountitude. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Keep scoring. Thanks for the day.